how have you been?
I was very busy.
You've been busy with work?
Work and my mother is sick. That's why I'm very busy. I take care of my mom.
Oh, your mom's sick? I'm sorry to hear that. What's she sick with?
Sick with so many problems. She's suffer from so many diseases. Nowadays, she is getting better now very well.
I'm glad to hear that she's doing better.
Yeah, day by day, she is out of the disease.
Well, I will start saying a prayer for your mom.
Yeah, that's great. So, what do? You are busy or your job? I want to know about your.
Just work. My job. I take care of elderly and disabled people. I travel. I do that. I travel. And then I do private care as well. So I take care of people like your mom.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You are passionate about your work. I think you love your work.
I enjoy it. I've been doing it a very long time now. I'm very burnt out.
It's a great job you doing. So you helping people.
Well, thank you. Well, thank you. It's very hot, very humid.
Time. So your working time is very lengthy or short time?
About 8 hours. 8 hours a day.
Every day?
3 days. I only do 3 days. Because my son has special needs, so I need to be at home more. Otherwise, I would work 5 days, but I just cannot.
They provide a good salary?
Oh, yes.
You work under a company or you work?
Yeah, I do. I work for a company. I'm a vendor or a contractor. Maybe a subcontractor is a better word. They do have cameras shining and they watch them bitches. They will sit there and just watch them cameras all day. They're so,
Okay. What type of
Security
patients you take care?
Well, oh my gosh, all kinds. Over the years, all kinds. I've taken care of hospice, dementia. I've taken care of younger paralyzed people, paraplegics, quadriplegics, diabetics. I've taken care of people with infectious diseases. I had to work through the COVID pandemic. I was working at one of the first facilities where COVID was. I've done everything. I've done it all.
So which type of
Thank you, Electric.
Which type of patient take caring is very difficult on your opinion?
That's a good question. Let me think. I think the patients that refuse care, to me, that's the most difficult because, hi, Electric. It's hard because they try to fight you sometimes, they try to beat you up, and all you're trying to do is take care of them, And it's hard because they really need care. Like sometimes they might be naked, covered in urine, covered in feces. Like you can't just leave someone like that. And they'll be trying to beat you up while you're trying to take care of them, like clean them. It's very hard. It really is very hard. It can be.
Sometimes any patient beat you? You ever?
Not often, because I use a lot of techniques, and I think that my techniques work really well. I've only been really attacked one time, really badly, where I was, afraid. But I get another time, yes, but a lot of these times these people have dementia, but I don't get attacked very often. I try to talk to them very quietly. I don't raise my voice. When they tell me to leave them alone, I give them space. Sometimes I'll wait till they are not upset and I'll come back and take care of them. There's just a lot of things. I've been doing this almost 10 years. I have a lot of experience. I think I'm pretty good at what I do.
Yeah, also you enjoying your work. It's a great thing.
I enjoy it.
Now you are a very
I enjoy it. I do.
So it's very good for patient also because you take care very carefully.
Yeah, I do. I do very thorough work. I take very good care of my patients. Yeah, I try.
You try your best.
I don't often have patients that fall because I check on my patients the way that I'm supposed to. I do what I'm supposed to do. If you're in my care, you're in good hands. I don't have a lot of patients die either. I don't have a lot of patients die, and I don't have a lot of patients fall. Because, yeah, I do what I'm supposed to do. I check on my patients every 2 hours, and I do exactly what I'm supposed to do. I'm very on top of my work.
Your job sometimes make you happy and sometimes make you unhappy. I mean, very sad. Because patients sometimes died. I'm right?
Yeah, very depressing. It can be a very depressing job.
Yeah, it's a very hard job also. Not a very easy.
Yeah.
Because you have to patient and calm and cool.
Thank you. Yeah. And a lot of times, another hard time, it's hard to take care of them when they're very sick and in pain. Because it's just, you know, they cry a lot. And it's just hard. It's not a happy job. The happiness that I get from my job is knowing that I made somebody happy in the end of their life, or knowing that I took very good care of them. But otherwise, it's not a happy job at all. It's actually a very sad, depressing job.
Yeah, I know that because also my mom is very sick. I know about it. Sometimes it's very depressed, and I'm crying sometimes when I'm see my mom's situation.
Right.
You also very so. How many patient you have? You have to take care of them. How many?
Right now, I'm taking care of one lady. Before, I was taking care of about 12, but right now I take care of one.
So you need to 8-hour service this lady.
Mm-hmm.
You go to her house.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
It's far from your house or?
Yeah, it's about 30 minutes. 30-minute drive.
Oh, okay. So it's not very far.
Yeah. It could be closer, but it's not that bad. A job is a job.
Yeah.
I'm just happy I have a job. You know?
Yeah, COVID time, so many people are jobless in my country. It's a very hard time. So what about your country in this time?
Oh, you say what time?
COVID pandemic time. My country, so many people are jobless that time, not now. So what in your country?
During COVID.
Yeah, COVID.
Oh, yeah, no, I had a lot of work. I made a lot of money during COVID. I was able to buy a car. I recently paid my car off because of all the money I was able to put on my car during COVID. I would put $1,000. I was making $1,000 payments sometimes. So I made a lot of money during COVID. I was able to work during COVID. It was just very stressful because we had to wear full PPE. So I don't know if a lot of people talked about this, but it was really hot. So a lot of times we were sweating. I was getting so dehydrated that my urine was turning orange just from all the sweat. And we were taking care of these patients, doing 3 times as much work, and we were getting paid the same amount. So then I began to travel. I began to do travel nursing, which is what I've been doing that since COVID. And I had consistent work. I was very grateful that I didn't lose my job and I had consistent work through COVID. I was so grateful.
That time you afraid sometime because so many people are very afraid to COVID.
I was afraid. I was very afraid. I was so stressed out. My hair was falling out in quarter-sized patches. I was so stressed out. But I would pray, and I would pray to God. I would eat a lot of garlic. I would eat a lot of really, really healthy food. I would sleep well. And I have a mask. When I was working during COVID, I actually had to wear, I'll show you. I had to wear, this.
All the time? You using mask?
Yeah, this is how I didn't get COVID. I had to wear this. P100.
Oh.
It's the best kind of mask on the, for stuff like that. So I wore that, so I didn't get COVID. And I didn't. I did end up getting COVID. I got it 2 or 3 times, but I survived.
Well, you are very advanced. Americans are very advanced. They are using so many advanced technology.
Yeah, that's what I had to wear. I had to wear that scary looking mask.
Not only masks. I'm not only saying about masks. How's going on your life?
Good. Today I think we're going to go to the aquarium. I'm actually going to end the live shortly because I need to make a phone call and figure out what time we're going, because we're going to go do some fun things today. I'm really excited.
Okay.
Message me on here, Wally, or Facebook, and then we can do a PK when I come back. Would that be okay with you?
Yeah, I already messaged you in Instagram.
Good. Very good. Because Waleed, this morning, I deleted hundreds of messages because I had so much spam and I wasn't able to actually read the important messages and decipher, the spam over what was messages. So I did do that today, thank God. So now I can read all my messages. Shut up, Shy Getty. Not you, I was talking to the comments. My Facebook link is Winona Pont Speaks. We can't really share links here, otherwise I would.
Okay, but I can't.
You're on my Facebook, Wally.
Yeah, I have
Talk 2.0.
Can you drop a message on my Facebook?
Yes.
Okay, then we talk.
I will.
And here, when we are free, we make a good conversation together. It's very helpful for me.
Very good. I would look forward to that very much. I always look forward to talking to you.
Yeah, me too. I'm really happy when you come my PK and join with me. So it's make me happy.
Well, thank you, Waleed. Thank you for coming, and you have a blessed day. And I will remember your mother in my prayers.
Yeah, now she's fine and keep here.
I will. Bye, Waleed. Have a blessed day.
Yeah, have a good day.